नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. So the program starts with listening. Please understand, the program starts with listening. Program does not start when I start talking. It starts when you start listening. Shall we start the program? Because you have to start the program. Program has to be started by you. Listening. Please understand, with listening, life starts. I'll define listening. When your cognition functions, cognition means receiving information, understanding and responding. When your internalizing process functions without the interference of incompletions, is listening. Listen. For example, if you had some incompletions with somebody who was wearing this color cloth, the moment you see me, that incompletions can surface and interfere your pure listening. So if you are sitting with that incompletion, will you be listening? No. Internalizing without the interference of incompletions is listening. Let me define completion and incompletion. Incompletion is the hangover and residue of the past memory, incident, situation, past thoughts, past emotions which are residing in you and continuously disturbing your present moment, restricting your present moment and limiting your cognition in the present moment. For example, if you have incompletion, some incompletion happened in the beach. See, one day you are going for a walk in the beach, suddenly you see a murder happening in front of your eyes, or accident happening in front of your eyes. Naturally, that will become a deep incompletion in you. When that becomes deep incompletion in you, after that, whenever you go to any beach in the world, you will see that incompletion erupts out and restricts your present moment. How many of you understand what I am saying? That is incompletion. The hangover of the past, residue of the past, residue of the past memory, incident, situation, past thoughts, past emotions, which are residing inside you in the present moment, and which restricts and limits your cognition, which is the way you understand and respond to life in the present moment. Please understand. The hangover of the past haunting you in the present. Sometimes it can be jet lag. Just give me this one commitment. Listening with integrity and authenticity and responsibility and enriching. I give you the commitment of enlightenment itself. Anything you want, please understand, anything you want, whether it is a health or wealth, when I utter these words, I am responsible. Mahakala is the witness. Keeping him as a witness, I commit with you. Anything you want can be achieved because the science is directly from him. Keeping him as a witness, I give you the commitment. I need only one commitment from you, listening. I tell you, sometimes people ask me, Swamiji, how? Person who comes only once to you gets healed from cancer, walks out of big diseases, gets so many good things. Sometimes people who come regularly to you also continue to suffer. They may come regularly, but they never listen. How many times you come is not the thing. How many times you listen. Please understand, when I utter the word, when I utter a boon, it will become all right. Don't worry. I'll take care. Are you in the space of listening, or are you in the space of doubting, or are you in the space of disproving my words? I have seen so many times when I utter the word, I'll take care, don't worry. People carry the space, you yourself have so many problems. How will you clear my problems? Or, you'll make it. I'll prove you can't make it. Then what can I do? I say, Tathastu, so be it. Please understand, when I throw a seed, if you are in the space of listening, you act like a fertile land. Immediately the seed grows and expands and becomes tree and gives the fruit, and it does not take too much time. When the space is right and the seed falls, immediately seed becomes reality. If you are in the space, you will make it or what? I heard like this so many times, words from you and words from others. That and all doesn't work for me. Then your being behaves like a stone on which the seed is thrown. It doesn't sprout immediately. And if you are in the space, I'll prove your words are not going to be true. Then it is like a seed thrown into the fire. Not only it doesn't get sprout, it's burnt. It can never sprout anywhere. So the space you carry is very important. The listening space is very important for me to do what you want me to do in your life. For me to cause what you want me to cause in your life, the space of listening is very important. Understand? Incompletion is the virus that sits inside your system, not allowing you to connect with life in the present moment and eventually causing your system to crash. Sometimes people have incompletions about me. What is this? That person came to you. Only yesterday I only brought that person. You blessed him and immediately he got healed. The kidney stone came out. The tumors melt and comes out. And I am coming to you for my neck pain. It is there for last 3 years. 20 times I came to you. Why are you still dragging without healing? I tell them, come on. I can cause. You need to allow. I can cause, but you need to allow. If you are so strongly sitting, I will prove you are wrong. Then what can I do? So I need the space of listening. Please understand. Just give me this one commitment of listening. Keeping Kala Bhairava as a witness, I commit with you. With my integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching. Anything you want, I can make it happen. Please understand. I am not giving you false promise. I am not giving you false promise. I am not giving you false hope. I am giving you a straightforward promissory note. It is my commitment to all of you. Just come to the space of listening. I can cause miracles in you. I can cause miracles just like that in you. Completion is the state where you have nothing holding you in the present moment. Listening happening inside you as a meditative space. Please understand. Human mind exists only in 2 frequencies. Human mind exists only in 2 frequencies. Understand this truth? Human mind exists only in 2 frequencies. Similar to a binary code system. Like 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, the binary digits. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. The 0 is the zone of silence. 1 is the zone of thoughts, words. Please understand. You exist like a 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. One moment silence, one moment thoughts. One moment silence, one moment thoughts. Your cognition exists in this way only. As a child, you cognize this way only. 0, 1, 0, 1. Silence, you cognize. Silence, you cognize. Silence, you cognize. But when the incompletions enter, that is like a virus, crashes the whole binary system. If a virus enters into the computer, how the whole computer crashes. So when the incompletion enters, that 0, 1 becomes 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 1, 3, 4, 1, 0, 1, 5, 6, 1, collapses. The 0, 1 collapses when the incompletions enter. The process of cognition collapses with incompletions. So come to the space of listening by pushing all the incompletions out. Understand all words stem from a deep process of gathering information from your 5 senses, internalizing and responding to it. This process is the cognition that exists and is unique to every human being. The 0 space in you is the zone of silence, which many of you are experiencing now. The 1 is the zone of cognition. When you were born, you were pure zone of silence, total 0 space. As you grew, and language developed in you, the space of 1 started happening in you, 0, 1, 0, 1. But when the incompletions have started entering in you, the 0, silence has started getting destroyed. So, come back to the space of listening. As your language continued strengthening in you, you began falling more and more into the space of 1. The more language happened in you, the more you started to grasp information from outside, internalize and process it. Along with the language, the ability to understand, feel and respond also developed in you. Please listen. Along with the language, the ability to understand, feel and respond also developed in you. So with the language, cognition also grew. But with incompletions, your cognition and 0 space, both were affected. When the incompletions entered, both were affected. All of you understand what I am saying? See, 0, you are born with 0. The 1 came along with your language learning as you grow up. This 0 and 1 is great, no problem. But when the incompletions have started entering, it attacked the 0 space and took away, attacked the 1 space and took away. Now you have half 0 and beaten 1. With this, neither you can listen nor cognize. So what is happening? Whole day you sit and brood over. Actually, anywhere you need to listen, you just go and put your body, lay your body, that's the right word. Lay your body, switch off and start brooding over. Indian schools and colleges and universities are the great place to train you how to switch off the mind and brood over. No, the 3 days is enough in school or college or university because the teacher is so boring. What they talk is so outdated. I did diploma mechanical engineering. All the machineries with which they were giving training or education They all can be only in the museum. None of them are in the actual use in the industry. Syllabus is so outdated. The way it is taught is so boring. You stop listening. You will connect with the life only in listening. Either, basically you will connect with the life either if you are in pure listening or in pure cognition. But almost all moments of your life, you are neither in pure listening nor in pure cognition, because you have some incompletion or the other in some form or other in you, and that is why you miss life. So decide, you will come back to the space of listening. You will get back to the space of listening when you begin completing your past. Your ability to be in pure listening exponentially goes up. We will work on a lot of powerful methods that will establish you in the state of completion, increasing the state of listening in you. Along with those techniques, continuously take on only this one spiritual practice of listening. You will be able to do it when you practice it consciously. You will be able to distinguish between the zone of listening and zone of cognition, and keep yourself totally connected to listening while listening and cognition while cognizing. Most importantly, you will know very clearly what is incompletion, which does not allow you to listen or cognize. The incompletion part in you. So understand, for the next 21 days, constantly remind yourself to practice this only one thing, listening. How many of you are ready to commit that you will be in the listening? Great. I need only this one commitment from you. Listening. How many of you did not raise the hand? Raise the hand now. No, there are many hands did not go up. I just wanted to know. Okay. Now, let's take an oath. Let's take this as a commitment. Next 21 days, you will be in the space of listening. Listening should be the space continuously you will be carrying for the next 21 days. Let's gather for next session. Thank you.